Hey you guys, I'm gonna be unboxing my Igloo ice maker in stainless steel in this video. I am so excited, so let's just get to it. Okay y'all, so let's open her up. Ooh. Here go the instructions. Little styrofoam. That was loud, sorry. This thing is actually hella big. It's a big box. It came in a big box. It's nothing else in here but the styrofoam. Okay, so and you know your girl got it in stainless steel. It just looks so good. Okay, so it's only in this paper. Throw that out. The cord behind it is wrapped up in some plastic. Let's unravel this. The inside has that back. The inside has a basket for the ice, and it has like a scooper. It has a little scooper thing too, so that's pretty cool. This is what the inside looks like. That, I'm guessing, is where the ice is gonna go, where they're gonna freeze the ice. The basket on the side, scooper comes out. Oops. That is really nice. So I'm gonna take this over into the kitchen and plug it up, and then I'm gonna do a little tutorial on how it works. The thing that I wanted to show you guys is this is the bottom of it, and this is the tab that you pull out, so when you put water in the inside and you rinse it out, it'll all come out this way. So I just got done rinsing out the inside before I start it up, so that is how it goes. Okay you guys, so here we go. This is the inside, and you're gonna pour the water to the max line. Can you guys see where it says max? So you're gonna put water in there. So I am gonna take my bottle of water and I'm gonna pour it inside. I'm gonna get a few more. I feel like I'm gonna need a few more water bottles. Hold on. Oh, there's a max line that you can fill it to, but I'm not gonna fill it to the max line because I don't really want to make too much ice right now. So I just want to do like a quick little video. So 2 bottles should be enough. And let's see, we're gonna put the tray inside. Okay, we're gonna close it down. Power. I want small pieces, and that is how you do it. It's filling up in the inside, the water. Can you see it? So it's about to start making the ice. You hear it just now, it turned on. So it's starting to freeze that water. So it's about to turn into ice. I'll be back once ice starts coming out so I can show you guys what's going on. You can see the ice starting to form in the inside. So I just wanted to come and show you guys like the process of it. So this is what it looks like. It drains the water, then it defrosts those pieces back there, and the ice drops into this basket. I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna change it to large because I actually want to see what the large ones look like, so I hope it's not too late. These are what the pieces look like. Nice and frosty. From that, so it takes about 7 minutes to make, so that's not that bad. And it makes about 9 cubes, but I ate a couple. So we're gonna have to wait till the next batch, but that is pretty much how it works. I love it already. The ice is like a nice crunch. It freezes through pretty good. I like it. And I want to see what the large ones are gonna look like. So they are coming along pretty nicely. I just wanted to show you guys how it's made, what they look like, and the process of it. It's starting another batch. So thank you guys for watching this video.